Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. I did a little research on the Sniper EFI. Apparently the connectors on the injectors cause a little bit of trouble. I'm hoping that that's what it is. I'm not real sure, but we need to take it apart to find out. And the other side was the side that showed in the video. That seemed fairly easy. This side is a little more complicated, but we'll see if we can get it apart and check out the connector. Looks like I gotta take another fuel line off. Oh. Okay. Well, would you look at that? That injector doesn't appear to be plugged all the way in. So I think the first thing to do is to check the pin grip in that connector.
So, did you do your research and find out what's going on?
Well, I think so. I found that that injector wasn't fully plugged in. I think that's the problem, but we got to check the pin grip and test the injector and all of that before I put it back together. Well, they feel okay.
So now what do we gotta do?
Well, now we got to test the injector to make sure the injector fires. And we do that by just applying 12 volts and a ground to it. And it clicks.
So that's good.
That means the injector's good. What we need is we need to tie wrap that on there to make sure that it doesn't back off.
How are you gonna tie wrap that? Like a zip tie on the plug or on the wires or?
On the plug, yes. A little sill glide on the O-rings here.
that's right for you.
Well, yeah, it looks like you got them all right.
Wow.
Excellent.
So is it now fixed?
Well, I don't know, we gotta test it. You wanna start the truck up? Well, looks like we got all 4 injectors.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. We can go for a test drive.
So you can't go just yet.
Why is that?
You got air up your tire.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's a valve cover. Come on. Go. Get out of this spot.
Oh, yeah. Much better on the throttle response. What do you think?
You're too throttle happy and she works great. Yeah, I'd sit down if I was you. He's throttle happy.
Yep, that works a whole lot better. All right. Well, that works a whole lot better.
Yeah, so you happy now?
Yes, but I got lots of other stuff to do to it.
Well, stop hitting rocks and trees.
I try.
And you wouldn't have these problems.
Well, thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.